Hey guys, so this will be like my first actual long video on this channel, which is so fun. I've been procrastinating making a long video because they take a while to edit, but this is the night before all of this is about to happen, but I'm going to go ice skating with my cosplay buddies, so we're just gonna like set out stuff for that tonight, and then I'll film more tomorrow because I have to drive 2 hours. So yeah. I don't think I said this in the last clip. So I'm going as Kenji Miyazawa tomorrow from Bungo Stray Dogs because I'm gonna meet up with a couple of my other friends that are going as Bungo characters. So I can just show you the cosplay really quick. I have the hat here that I have attached to a headband so that it doesn't fly off while I'm skating. And then his little tassel, the wig. And then I have this shirt that I use for him. And then I have these overalls. They're both just normal clothes. And then I have a binder that I have in my bathroom that I usually wear for him. And I looked it up. Binding while ice skating should be fairly safe. Just as long as I'm not like going too fast. So fingers crossed I don't die. But yes. This wig is very hard to style, but we got it there. We did. I finally got motivation to get up at like around 10:30. So I did that, and I got brownie bites, which I already ate. And now I'm just watching more of the Week Chapel stream that I was watching last night because I'm bored, and I can get ready in Kenji in like 30 minutes or less. Because he's just super simple, like makeup and everything wise. So, I'm just kind of hacking away at time. I'm gonna pack my con bag. I'm not going to a con, but I'm gonna pack that pretty soon because I don't know anything better to do. So, yeah. So this is my con bag. I have a bunch of pens on it. I need to get more because I have some space, but I have a bunch of these on here. I got this when I went to Salem. It was very fun. Say hi to my cat. So yeah, I gotta pack all that stuff in there. So wish me luck. I know I didn't put these in the pile at first, but I realized I probably will want my headphones and my phone charger. It's kind of important. So I'm gonna put those in there because those are both kind of important things that I completely forgot about. And there's still room, so but I love these headphones. I don't remember the brand or anything. They're probably somewhere on there, but they stay charged for like hours and hours on end. Like, I haven't charged those in maybe like a month, and they're still at like 60 or 70%. But yes, I love them. And I put Demon Slayer stickers on them because I like people asking me about my interests. I don't like going up to people because that's scary. But yes, I get to see some of my friends that I met at Planet Anime today. I'm very excited about that. because I miss them a lot, and they're excited to see me, hopefully. I've been messaging with them, like, last night and stuff, and they said they were, so. But yes, I need to, what time is it? It's 11:33, so I'll start getting into cosplay, like, 30, 45-ish minutes. But yes. Okay, so I'm changed now. I'm in my outfit. It is currently 12:35. So I have to do my makeup, eat my lunch, and like get ready for the day in like 30 minutes or less. So wish me luck. Also, my binder is poking out from under the shirt, and the last time I cosplayed Kenji, it didn't do that, and I don't know how I did that, but you can like see it right there. And I laid the shirt in water that was on the counter, and I'm really upset about it because now I'm cold, and I'm gonna be in 53-degree weather tonight, so I can't be cold. I'm gonna like but yes, I am in the full outfit. Can't really see because I have nothing to prop you up on. There we go. But yes, I'm very excited. But now I have to do my makeup. So, oh, I forgot. So this is my makeup. It's definitely not the best, but it's not the worst I've ever done. It's a little smudgy over here because I kept messing up. Because I did this side, like, decently, so I decided to do this side too. And I tried really hard, and I didn't get anywhere. So I just had to redo that, like, 60 times. But I have to put my wig on, so you get to watch that and just chat for a little bit, you know? That's the final look. I think it looks pretty good. I'm definitely going to be taking breaks from the wig and the hat in the car. My brother says hi. Because it's very tight. This wig made me have scabs all across my forehead after Planet Anime. So, yeah. Definitely taking breaks from it, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm very happy with this. I'll film more when I'm about to get in the car and stuff. Bye! I had to get video of us. Train! Oh my goodness. I never see a train on this road. It is. I have to get a video of us going over the train. Train! Oh, there it goes.
Kiss your man. This is so interesting.
Kiss your man!
What the flip? Alright guys, what the heck?
You could travel the world, cupping up in cords close to the Corbin cows. Watch your party with A's. You'll be forward to the left. The outfit forward to girls were unforgettable.
Say hi. Hi. Say hi. My hat's covering both of you.
No, I have to use a different audio. Wait, Jinx, look this way.
What you wanna take a picture of your party? Wing it in. What you loosen up, what you can make it different. You can make it right. You can make it better. We don't have to fight. You can make it ever. Nothing like me, got it, but down. Попробуем попробуй чага, попробуем не take another night. I click the gadget, but the gloves. Outside, don't take off. This side, left side, outside, you and me. Oh yeah, let's get started. Let me be a weird boy, I wanna be wonderful. Now already give me some more. Let's get started. Okay, if I die tonight, I'ma make it fun pretty. Yeah, I'm in your spine, yeah, I'm in your city. I can be a rude, bad attitude, I can be a movie, but if I mess you up, I'ma make it fun pretty. Everybody knows that I'm a good girl, officer. Oh, then do a thing like that. That's for sure. What you want to take a picture of your party? Wing it in. What you loosen up, what you